Hello everybody, today in this video we'll see together how to make a call on WhatsApp. So let's jump right into it. We'll see multiple ways. So let's open up the app, tap on calls on the top right here. If you're on an iPhone, you might find it on the bottom instead. Once you're there, you'll find the calls you have made before. Just tap on this symbol next to the person you want to call, and just like that, you're in a call. Another way, you can tap on this button on the bottom right here. You find all of your contacts. Choose one you want to call and tap on the phone symbol next to the person. And just like that, you are in the call. And in another method, you can just go ahead and call someone that you have already chatted with in the app before. Just tap on the chat and then tap on this phone symbol on the top right here and tap on call. After that, you are in the call, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.